With advanced intelligent storage and fully automated loading and unloading, the Bodor Laser iTransTower delivers efficient material handling. With a maximum load capacity of up to 3 tons per layer and a standard 8-layer composite storage configuration, iTransTower enables intelligent, classified storage for sheets of multiple sizes. In addition, it seamlessly integrates with production management systems, enabling task-based scheduling, one-click precise material pickup, and stable transfer to the loading area, ensuring smooth, orderly operation throughout the entire process. During loading, the suction cups automatically adjust their suction zones according to different sheet sizes, ensuring strong adhesion and stable handling. The system features 6 preset zone configurations and supports a maximum sheet size of 3048 by 1524 millimeters. Magnetic sheet separation, combined with a thickness detection and warning system, ensures single sheet loading each time, preventing cutting issues caused by multiple sheets being loaded simultaneously. After processing, the fork system precisely unloads the material and transfers it to the finished goods trolley, which automatically returns to storage when fully loaded. From pickup and loading to cutting, unloading, and storage, the entire process operates in a continuous cycle, ensuring uninterrupted processing. A single iTransTower system can be paired with multiple laser cutting machines, enabling smooth multi-line operation and higher efficiency in batch processing. Its modular design allows selected iTrans and iTower modules to be freely combined with the main equipment, delivering precisely matched intelligent processing solutions for customers across diverse industries, including construction machinery, automotive, metal, and sheet metal processing, mining and coal equipment, and agricultural machinery. The iTransTower elevates human-machine safety to a new level, featuring standard machine safety interlocks, table exchange interlocks, emergency anti-fall protection, and comprehensive safety safeguards throughout the entire operation. A high-performance intelligent hub enabling uninterrupted processing. The Bodor Laser iTransTower Automated Material Handling System